Does that man have stability, consistency, and contingency? Does he have life insurance? Does he know how to fix stuff around the house? You understand? Is he a thinker? Is he proactive? You know, stop being selective on what really matters. Because, like I said, anything can go broke or happen in the household. You don't want to have to always got to pay somebody to come do it when he's the one that's able to do it. You picked him. This is what you allowed in your bedroom. A man that knows how to fix things around the house. A man that if something happens, you don't have to start a GoFundMe because he got life insurance. He came prepared for this job. He didn't come in and say, "Hey, babe, I need you to help me get my license. I need you to help me get my credit together." No, Nick, the dude came prepared. That's your standard. That's the
Well, that I
standard.
mean,